Welcome to your final challenge. Remember that map we drew of your second brain and that brainstorm of all the inputs and outputs that we wanted in the first module? Well, in a minute, I'm going to ask you to pick one of those and use everything that we've covered about capturing information, organizing it, distilling the key insights to finally express it in a project. Before doing that, I'm going to recap on the core practices and methods that we've covered throughout this course that help you to move the inputs through your second brain towards your desired outputs. In Module 1, you learned what personal knowledge management is. In Module 2, you walked through setting up and personalizing Para in Notion. You learned how to organize your projects and link them to the relevant areas of your life to give you a powerful overview of what you've got going on and where you should be focusing your attention. You also learned how to use database relations to connect and link information from different databases throughout your second brain. In Module 3, we looked at how to capture surprising, inspirational, useful or personal information from the web into the Knowledge Hub using Notion's Web Clipper and other tools. I also challenged you to capture ideas and thoughts from your head in your notes database for a week to get a sense of what tools work best for you. In Module 4, we looked at some more ways to organize things. We covered how to link your notes and ideas using backlinks, and I also showed you how to create contextual dashboards within your areas pages, allowing you to have all of your information ready at your fingertips. In Module 5, we covered distilling the essential information from notes using progressive summarization, and how to create reusable resources from things that you capture in your Knowledge Hub. And in Module 6, just before this video, we looked at how to express from abundance using all of the info in your second brain to build an archipelago of ideas to kickstart your projects. We also looked at how to see your work through the lens of intermediate packets that you can create and gather to complete your projects. And now we're here at your final challenge. Your task is to create a template for one of your desired outputs that you brainstormed on that piece of paper that you sketched in the first module. You'll then fill that template with insights, inspirations, resources, and intermediate packets that you've captured, organized, and distilled using your second brain. Start by creating a project in the projects database. When you start working on it, move it to in process. Then when it's done, either share a link to it in the course chat if you'd like me to give you some feedback, or send it to your friends, family, or colleagues via email or social media. If you want to, you can post it in the Notion community page on Reddit or Discord, and I'll link to those in the bottom. I'm not going to be too specific and constraining on your creative freedom for this challenge, as it's really about your unique outputs. If you want to know that you've completed this challenge, I've left a checklist in the comments section for you to evaluate yourself. If you can do everything on that checklist, then take some time to celebrate. Hitting 100% on that checklist means that you've practiced most of the core habits of effective personal knowledge management in Notion. When you've completed your project, watch the wrap-up video. After celebrating, I'll lay out a few ways to go beyond what I teach in this course to deepen your knowledge management skills. Then we'll finish off by visioning forwards into what life looks like for you in 6 months and a year's time from now using your second brain.